ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಹಾದೇವ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇವತ್ತು ಮೊದಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೊದಲ ಸೆಷನ್ನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಕು ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ and what it meaning, what are the contents are there in financial accounting. Before that, first we know about what is accounting. Friends, accounting is nothing but it is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing in systematic manner in terms of money, transaction and event which are part at least and financial character and interpreting the result thereof. So this is called as an accounting given by Institute of Certified Public Accountant of America. So American institution given this definition, so that accounting is an art of recording the transaction. What kind of transaction? Business transaction. In a business, number of transactions are to be incurred in every day. So number of financial transactions are to be occurred. So monetary transactions are to be recorded systematically. So that is called as an accounting. After recording, systematically classifying the transaction. So transactions are to be classified according to their nature. For example, incoming transactions are there, outgoing transactions are there, debit items are there, credit items are there, receivable items are there, givable items are there. So all transactions are to be classified, segregate. After that, systematically analyze, then interpreting the result. So the process called as accounting. Friends, accounting is not only recording the business transaction, accounting is not only classifying the business transaction, or accounting is not only analyze and interpreting the business transaction. You know, accounting is a language. Of course, accounting is a business language. It is a system of communication, so that every businessman, every business organization, every business institution are always communicate through accounts only. That's why it is one of the business language. So that without accounting, no business can't to be run. So that everyone says accounting is not only recording the business transaction, or not only classifying, not only summarizing and interpreting the result, it is a business language. Then accounting is not only a business language, it is an information system. Of course, it is an information system. It provides every information to the users. Those who use the accounting information, the branch of accounting always provide a necessary important information to the users. So accounting information used by number of peoples, whether the internal sources are there, internal users are there, external users are there, number of users are there. Internal users use the accounting information for many purpose. For example, an accounting information used by internal user for the purpose of demanding the salary. For example, internal users are the employees are came, managers are came, supervisors, trade unions. They are called as an internal users in a business. So they always use the accounting information for example, manager use the accounting information for take the decision, make plan formation of some strategies like that. In the same way, employees are using the accounting information for demanding their salary. Trade unions use the accounting information for many benefits, getting the many benefits and demanding the salary, bonus, like that. For that purpose, accounting information used by internal users also. In the same way, external users also. External users using the accounting information for taxation purpose. Government is an external user. Banks are the external users. Shareholders are the external user. They always using the accounting information for imposing the tax, government imposing the tax to the companies, a bank granting some loan to the companies or business. The same way shareholders are investing the money. For example, you want to investing some money to the company. On that time, you guys refer the accounting information about particular company, then only know the profitability of the company, then only you know the financial strength of the company, then only you decide for investing the money or not, right? For that purpose you are also an external user. So that accounting is also called as a information system. See, accounting is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing and interpreting the result, of course, right? In the same way, accounting is a business language, of course, right? In the same way, accounting is a information system. Then friends, we know the financial accounting, what it means. Of course, in financial accounting is a specific branch. Number of branches of accounts are there. In financial accounting is a branch, cost accounting is a branch, and cost and management accounting are the branches. So financial accounting is a specific branch of accounting involving a process of recording, summarizing and reporting the number of transactions resulting from the business operation over a period of time. So financial accounting recording the monetary transaction in a systematic way and classifying the transaction, summarizing the transaction and reporting the transaction. So presentation of financial account systematically present. So that periodical presentation of financial data in a financial statement, through financial statement. Number of statements are there, like profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow statement, fund flow statement. Number of financial statements are there. So financial accounting interpreting the result, then periodically presentation of data. So this process called as a financial accounting. Next, American Institute of Certified Public Accountant, like GAAP, generally accepted accounting principle, define financial accounting is the process of documenting, of course, systematically recording the business transaction in the form of documentation. That's why it is the process of documenting and analyzing and reporting every transaction. Every monetary transactions are to be reported by financial accounting, right? For that purpose, it is a process of documentation, documenting, analyzing and reporting every transaction of a business or an organization in order to assess the financial health and stability. See, financial accounting is not only for interpreting the result, in the same way it analyzes the financial health and stability of the company. For what purpose we maintain the books of account? Only for the purpose of to know the result, not only for that purpose. In the same way, we know the profitability of the company. In the same way, what is the financial strength? For that purpose only we record the transaction in a systematic manner. That is called as a financial accounting. It shows the financial strengthness. In the same way, what is an asset? What is the wealth position of the company? What is the liability position of the company? So we refer the financial accounting. It gives every information related to the financial position, profitability, assets and liability information. Every information have to be there. That's why the whole process called as a financial accounting. So GAAP and Financial Accounting Standard Board, US board, give some guidelines. That guidelines are referred by the accountant for preparation of books of account. So that the process called as a financial accounting. Then the next we go for importance of financial accounting. See, without accounting, no one can do anything in business. That's why accounting play a very significant role The main purpose of maintenance of books of account and preparation of financial accounting is maintain the business records. See, every transactions are to be incurred in everyday business. All transactions are to be recorded systematically. That is one kind of documentation. After that classification, after that summarize, after then only interpreting, right? Interpreting the result. So that main purpose is maintenance of books of account. Maintenance of books of account is very important in financial accounting. Then prevention and detection of fraud. See, when we adopting systematic way for recording the books of account, when we classify the transaction in proper manner, then only we prevent and detection of fraud, errors and mistake. So that financial accounting always preventing the frauds, detection of frauds, mistake and any problems, any frauds like that. So that it's also very important, and it helps for preparation of financial statements. Always financial accounting help to preparation of financial statement. Number of statements are there, started from basic accounts like profit and loss account, then balance sheet, then fund flow statement, cash flow statement. Number of financial accounting are there, financial statements are there, sorry. So those financial statement are to be recorded with the help of financial accounting. That's why it's very important. And comparison of result. Friend, with the help of financial accounting, we always compare the result with past figure, past result. So financial accounting systematically interpreting the result in last year also and now also. So comparing that both the result in order to identify the variations, then only take the decision. Any implementations are there, any variations are there, we know with the help of financial accounting comparison of result. So after comparison only managers or management take some decision for better implementation, just because of variations. Any variations are there in comparison, any positive variations are there, of course the company goes same way and improve the day-to-day transaction and business in order to earning more and more profit. Any negative variations are to be there after at the time of comparison the past and current data, and that time management takes some necessary actions and decision for improving the business, improving the activities and performance in order to converting the negative concept, negative way to the positive ways. So that friends, with the help of financial accounting we always compare the data and assist the management. Of course financial accounting assists the management for taking some suitable measures and prevention of frauds and detection of frauds, and of course give some suggestion, guideline, direction for improving the work and performance in order to formation of better policies, plan, strategies for improve their activities and performance in order to earning more and more profit and expansion of business like that. For that purpose, with the help of financial accounting, the management work very properly and effectively in a business. Automatically it generate more and more profit in next days and expansion of business in better way in next days with the help of financial accounting. That's why financial accounting assists the management. So that these are all the main importance of financial accounting. Okay friends, ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸು ಸಾಕು. ನಾಳೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.